So basically it's just a very thick paste, and what that's going to do also, it's going to give it a strong hold, but it's not going to harden up like a spray. So we have two choices. So again, I'm going to ask the customer, would you rather have it real stiff during the day, or do you want to have something that's going to have a strong hold that you can move through it, or it's pliable if you want?
The being able to move through it.
Oh, okay, so then we're going to go with the paste. So I'm going to use just about right to my knuckle. That's about it. This particular paste, just like the spray, it dries really fast. So the best part about it is it emulsifies like a cream in your hands. So when I show you my hands, it emulsifies and looks like a cream, and it goes through the hair real easy. And as I said, we already have the shape from drying it with the gel. And you can also use this without the gel. The gel is not a necessary, it's an optional step. The reason why I did this, again, because you have straight fine hair. And these products are extremely water soluble, so it comes off my hand with just water and the towel. And it's very moisturizing to the scalp as well. And then before it dries, because it also dries really quick, as I said, like the spray, then we're gonna want to comb through it relatively quickly. And it's going to give it a nice full look. And then that pretty much, the paste is really strong. It won't move all day. If he wants to move a little bit, he could get a little bit of water on there if he wanted to, and that would loosen it up. And unlike most real strong paste and cement, this will come out with just water. So obviously you want to shampoo your hair, but it will come out before the shampoo even hits your hair, as strong as it is. That's one of the other extremely important benefits of this paste.